Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you a quick and easy tutorial on how I clean my makeup brushes with ingredients right at home. The first ingredient you need is coconut oil. This ingredient is used to keep the brushes soft. The last ingredient you need is dishwashing soap. This is what cleans the bacteria from your brushes. You can use as much as you want depending on how many brushes you need to clean. Then you just mix it all together, and this is how the consistency should be. Okay, now you can dip the brush in the formula and mix it all on your hand. Keep rubbing the brush on your palm till you feel the formula is well mixed in the bristles. Now keep mixing it on your hand while rinsing at the same time. This will show you how clean the brush is getting. Keep doing this until the water that falls in the sink is clear. Now just squeeze all the water out of your brush like this. And there you have it, a squeaky clean makeup brush. Now I'm going to speed this up a bit, but repeating the same process. Here's a little tip. When you're rinsing the brush, keep it facing down. Never let the water get into your brush. This will prevent your brush from shedding. Finally, I leave my super duper dirty beauty blender for last to use up the rest of the formula. And it's basically the same process. Keep squeezing until you see that it's clean. Warning, your hand and your wrist may hurt after cleaning a beauty blender. And that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!